Yeah, seems like our door glasses are no longer safe anymore.
La 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 la. Praise God. Allah.
What is this lunatic doing at someone's porch at this late hour? Please, can someone tell him that this is someone's apartment, not a mosque or a church premises?
Praise God. Allah. No messing around. Praise Allah. Praise Allah.
This boy decided to give his mom and his grandma a little surprise, even though it swept me off my feet a little bit.
Awesome. I didn't do anything. You scared the crap out of your grandma.
He needs a hero by these.
Ew!
What?
Ew, Tanner! That was gross!
What? Open the door.
I can't! They have a lock!
They have a lock, she said, which means that this isn't their apartment at first place.
Can I help you?
Hello.
You need to leave.
Hello.
It's midnight here in Miami, Florida, and this lady is out there hunting for her dog in someone else's porch.
Can I get my dog?
What?
Can I get my dog though?
I don't have your dog.
I gotta get my dog.
I live here.
My dog's in your house.
What?
I get that, but I'll get my dog and I'll leave.
I don't have your dog.
I'm not leaving without my dog.
I don't have a dog here. You need to leave.
I don't really trust this guy. His look alone scares me a lot. And after watching this, if you still want to keep your doors open, maybe you will learn the hard way.
Hello, how can I help you?
Yes, how you doing, man?
Who are you looking for?
Yeah. Trying to do some shoveling.
No, thank you.
I was trying to say I make a couple dollars.
Oh, I see what you're saying. You trying to shovel?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am, 'cause I ain't got no job, and I was trying to see if you had a shovel. I could have shoveled your yard before you try to make a couple dollars and everything, because I ain't got no job, man. So I'm out here trying to make me a couple dollars in my pocket. That's why I can.
Okay. No, that's okay. My grandson, he's coming over. He's on his way.
Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Say a prayer.
Listen up, man. If you want a job, maybe you should dress well before showing up on people's home like this. Because as for me, nobody would want to open their door or hire you like this.
Hey, how you doing? Oh, no, excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Excuse me. I ain't mean to spook you. I didn't mean to spook you, miss.
You have spooked me already with your look. So get lost. This is exactly why you might just want to consider putting a strong door at your house.
Can I use your bathroom real quick?
No, you cannot. No, you cannot.
Do you know anybody around here that would let me use their bathroom? for 2 seconds?
Yeah, give me a minute. Okay.
If you are a homeowner, you need to be very careful about those people who want to use your bathroom at night. Around midnight in Houston, Texas, a man and a lady walks up to someone's apartment. The man blocks the camera with his back while speaking with the homeowner. Y'all needs to be careful about this people, especially at night.
Who is this?
Hi, is it Maria? I'm looking for John Miklos.
No. Wrong address. I don't.
Wrong address?
Yes, no, wrong
He doesn't
address.
live.
Wrong address.
He doesn't live here.
No.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
This kids actually stole from this house, but when their mom found out, she quickly brought them back to apologize. Raise your kids well, and kudos to this woman for correcting this kids.
Hi. Were you the ones that took the Red Bull earlier?
Yes, and they are here to apologize and to, if they need to, work it off, or I'm going to replace it.
No, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal, but just please don't do that again. If you want something, you can knock and we'll give it to you. It's no problem.
Yeah, and well, here, y'all talk.
Yes.
We're very sorry for stealing it. We shouldn't have done it. We weren't thinking.
I appreciate your apology. Thank you.
And if you ever see, this one is mine. I live down the street. This is my nephew. If you ever see them, please, because Mandy sent it to me. I am not raising my child to be like that.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
I'm highly pissed off at him. But I'm very sorry.
Of course. Thank you guys for coming back. But again, if you want anything, just let us know and we'll give it to you. I promise.
We appreciate it.
Of
Say
course.
yes, ma'am. Boys? Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yeah, he stupidly think the house owner weren't around. But the response he got after that sums him right.
Yeah! Where's my wallet, bro? Why are you yelling at me, dude?
Oh, dear me. Look, this is not funny. Another case of home stalker. This guy was not even scared that he's being recorded on camera. Please, if you are walking back to your house, you need to double check to know who is following you.
You know Lacey?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
It's not my mom.
Lacey!
Huh?
This guy's following me, Lacey.
Who is he?
I don't know. He's been following me since.
JR!
Puss, what up?
He's been following me since I've been calling you.
JR, just coming out. Okay.
Call the police. He's in his car?
No, he's been following me since 60 seconds.
Call the police.
I tried not to get exhausted. I just kept coursing the street back and forth.
I didn't hear the phone.
I thought I was running. He was gonna like grab me. So
Do not take this kind of guys unserious. They are dangerous and should not come close to your house if you want to be safe. Seems like this two neighbors are connecting very well. A true reminder that we all can still live together despite our religion, culture, or difference in our skin color.
What you need?
Hey, you guys were doing something last night, right?
Yeah.
I was just gonna say, you guys got last night, and normally I wouldn't make it a problem, but next time invite your neighbor, dude. I want a party too.
I got you. I got a shot for you next time.
Word, I'm down here in apartment R. For real, feel free to come hit me up.
I got you. Live right below me.
It's still 1708. It's apartment R on that side. It's the second story on this back side.
Okay, I got you. I'm sorry for being loud. I'll make sure next time that won't happen.
I almost came over here, but I was like, I don't know any of these, so I might as well just. I wasn't gonna leave a note, but I was like, nah.
I got a shot for you next time.
Word, I'm gonna come back up here later. I'm gonna drop my info.
All right, bye. Have a good one.
You too.
Hello? Hello?
Now, were you just in the shower?
This is why it's dangerous to leave your door open, because this kind of guys will always show up in your house unannounced.
I'm sorry?
Were you just in the shower?
You want to use my shower? What do you mean?
Were you just in the shower?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, just stay out of the shower.
Oh, to do not use the shower?
Stay out of the shower.
What do you need, sir? Don't open the door. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Stay out of the shower.
Yeah, thank you.
No, but who's this lady talking right now on your speaker?
It's me, I'm the owner. What's your problem? You're not supposed to open the door like that. I will call the police right now, okay?
Well, there's a whole bunch
You
of
cannot
fucking like
go
weird
inside
ass
my house
candles on
like
the side
that.
of
You
your
cannot do
house.
that.
There's a whole bunch of weird ass candles on the side of your house right now.
Alright, bye.
Alright, I'm letting you know.
Alright, thanks. Bye.
Go away. We will call the cops. Go on. I'm calling the cops right now. Go on. I'm calling the cops.